Thank you for watching my videos. In this channel, I will record the scenery through my viewfinder in Japan and around the world. This time, I'll be shooting with the Hasselblad 500 cm. There's a reason why I bought this camera, which is one of the most expensive film cameras. It is because the same model of the 500 series was used in NASA's Apollo project. More than 50 years ago, Walter Schiller, who would later be selected as one of the astronauts for America's first manned flight project, Project Mercury, met the Hasselblad 500C in a camera store in Houston. Later, in 1962, Walter went into space with a Hasselblad that had been customized for space use. This is where NASA's relationship with Hasselblad began. On July 20th, 1969, a Hasselblad camera landed on the moon 380,000 kilometers from Earth with the crew of Apollo 11. And many of the records of human history were captured by this camera. The cameras used in the Apollo project are still on the surface of the moon to reduce the weight when they return to Earth. I love traveling and shooting from the bottom of my heart. Someday, I would like to photograph the Earth from the space with this camera on the moon. With such a big dream in mind, I decided to purchase this camera. This time I went to Enoshima in the afternoon to take pictures. Get off at Shichirigahama station on the Enoden and start walking towards the sea. First of all, I like to take a simple composition with Enoshima in the background. It was a very windy day. I set up my camera to focus on the waves coming in one after another. I went down the stairs and came to the edge of the waves. I'm going to get closer to the ocean and try to get a shot where I can feel the texture of the water. From here, I'll walk toward Inamuragasaki. The wind from the sea is still blowing strongly, so it makes the waves bigger and creates a powerful landscape. I can feel the ragged rocks in the foreground. I will try to take a shot from this angle. The sun is setting. Looking back at the Enoshima side from Inamuragasaki, I would like to take picture the sunset into the sea. Behind me, there is Kamakura Seaside Park. If you set up your camera here, a little farther up the stairs, you can enjoy the view of Mount Fuji in the background. The gentle light after the sunset gives a very beautiful coloring to the image. If you shift your viewpoint to the left from the same shooting position, you can see the orange sky and the ocean. I would like to take the last picture from this angle. Thank you again for watching. I will continue to visit places in Japan and around the world and record the scenery through my viewfinder. I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.